Well, not bad. Not bad.
I can feel the bites.
Yeah, be under.
Have to let go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That one's a keeper. The catch from today's fishing trip. He got a good one.
Even bacon.
I can feel the bites. If you put your hand on the rod, you can feel the bites. See? See?
Yes.
If they do, it'll be down to keep.
Yeah, be underarm bowling.
Yeah, be underarm bowling.
Yeah, seems like she got one.
Yeah, we would like to go somewhere down south or Australia. Yeah. How's Megan been? Yeah, good. Yeah, all good. Oh, I've got a baby.
Ooh.
And not put on the mouth.
Yeah, the old pellet thing.
I'll hold it.
This one is small, we have to let go.
Yeah.
What?
Have to let go. This is not legal size.
This is not real size?
Yeah, not legal. Have to let go.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to let it go because that's not the real size. So basically it's a law here कि हम इतनी छोटी मछलियों को नहीं पकड़ के ले जा सकते, उन्हें हमें छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. Let's go for the another one now. Putting up the bait. You got another one? I think it's a small one. Yeah, another small one. So you have to let it go again?
Yeah.
Okay.
The tail even not reach it. It's too small. Here we go.
Got it. Fine. I hope it's not a baby. Here it comes. Oh, it's a baby again.
Yes.
10th time I've caught a baby.
Holy. How do you feel, the big catch?
Yeah, we're relieved. It's taken him a while.
This one took its own time.
Yeah. Good day. It's a horse. Okay. All right.
Good.
Nice.
Yeah,
1, 2,
baby.
3. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay,
Nice.
good.
Thanks, man. Finally, you got a big one.
Yes.
We're ready. Okay.
I think she got another one. Another big one.
Oh yeah. No.
Old lady luck, eh?
If you tighten it, the line might break. So just leave it. That's okay. Oh, that's tiny. Oh, did you hear one? That's a good one here. Pump them. Yeah. Nothing but a hop. Nice and slow. Lift the rod.
Oh, I can see colour.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Oh, that's a big one.
All right, 2 in a row.
Hey,
No stopping.
someone's on a roll now.
nice fish. Well done, yeah. There's one each for dinner. Hey, photo with the skipper.
Yeah. This.
I'll kill him.
Okay.
Oh, that's gonna be getting close to that.
Alright, well done.
That one's a keeper.
Yeah, you get the photo. Come on, Jackson, get the photo.
Like a rat kingy.
Quiet.
Oh, it was a rat kingy.
Yeah,
I thought it was a rat kingy, yeah.
wow. That's the biggest one I've seen for a little while.
15. Maybe it's scales.
Yeah, let's go. What do you reckon? 13 maybe? Put a little kid in there. Oh, kid, you want a photo of this?
The fish bites again, eh?
Oh boy. Let's just kill him and then we'll get a photo, eh? There's a big lumpy headed one. It's an Aussie snapper, that one.
Have you ways, right? Oh,
He's got that retarded shaped head, you know.
Righto, who wants a photo?
Me.
Well, not bad. Not bad. Eh? Not bad.
9 to go, Tim. Or was it 8?
Not bad.
3 snappers, big snappers, and two yellowtails.
Two yellowtails. Let's show them. Let me show you the fish that we caught today. So,
Oh, eyes there.
which one is which? I'll help you. Wait 1 second. Yeah.
Snappers. Yellowtail.
So these two are yellowtail. She caught them. This one is a big snapper. I caught it. And then there are two small snappers. तो भाई वही रहता है कि जो भी fish basically ये देखो जो भी fish इससे छोटी होती है ना वो हमको छोड़नी पड़ती है by law और जो भी fish इससे बड़ी होगी वो हम ले जा सकते हैं ऐसा सीन रहता है. So that's the catch from today's fishing trip. At least 4 of the snappers and 2 yellowtail fishes. So these ones are the snappers and these ones are the yellowtail fish. So that's everything from today's vlog. See you in the next vlog then. Bye bye.